Hello, and welcome to Peggy's Plants, coming to you from Central Florida. Today, I'd like to take you along on a local garden shop tour. We'll be visiting Bloom Garden Shop in Tampa, Florida. Bloom Garden is located off of South McDill Avenue, and it is in the West Shore area of Tampa. Bloom Garden is open 6 days a week. It's closed on Monday. It has very reasonable hours, and I tend to go on Saturday or Sunday. This is an unsponsored video. It's not sponsored at all. I'm not getting anything for doing this, but I just wanted to share with you some of the things that you may find available in local plant shops that you don't find in the big box stores. So, this is how it looks from the street. This is as you pull around the corner. It is, to me, easy to miss. So, just look out for their little sign. This is the entrance. It's at the back of the shop. So let's take a look around and see what there is to see. I will give you prices or show you prices as I can, but many of these plants are outdoors and the price tags do get washed out from rain and sun. Let's get started looking around. Some of these plants are pretty common plants that you will find in big box stores, but many of them are not. You see some variegated carrii back there. And these alocasia tiny dancers, don't see those around too much. Let's see, the price on that is $12. I think that's a good price for a plant that you don't find very often, at least in this area. This is a white bird of paradise for $22. You can definitely beat that in the big box store. And over here, this money tree for $30. But look at this tree. It looks really healthy, lots of leaves. Don't see them like that in the big box store. Even though you could beat the price here at $19, I think the one at this nursery looks like a much nicer, healthier plant. So sometimes it's not just about the price. Like, look at this Ficus tenaciae for $45. Has like a bonsai thing going on. Looks very nice. Now, they do sell outdoor plants as well as common house plants here and not so common house plants, but like right here is a croton. It's known as a Picasso's paintbrush. I have one of these that I brought with me from the Keys when I moved to Central Florida, and this one doesn't have a lot of color in it. The one I had a lot of colors. I'd love to find another one, but I've never seen these at well, actually anywhere other than the place I bought it. And right here we have a jewel orchid. Don't see those. And this was $7.50. And let's see what else. There's people shopping, and I want to, respect their privacy. So when I get a chance, I'll pan around and show you more of the shop. Let's see, look at these Alocasia Fridax. Now, this is also something I found this once in a big box store, but something that you don't see in this area at least. And $16, that's an excellent price. And right here, a variegated string of hearts. Look at this thing, absolutely beautiful. Now, this is something I have only seen here at Bloom Garden other than online. Not ever seen it locally other than here, and $45. This is actually my variegated string of hearts that was gifted to me for my birthday from my sweetheart. And like I said, it was purchased at Bloom Garden, and it was a very healthy plant from day one, and it's been growing like a weed. I have heard that some people have found variegated string of hearts in big box stores in their area, but I have personally never seen them in my area. And here is a philodendron silver stripe. Have never seen these either anywhere else. And $9, that's a great price. Lots of alocasias. I mean, the very good prices, and look at the size and the quality. This is what they're going for in the big box stores. So, very nice. Here's a look at a little more of the store. There is an indoor section where they have mostly pots and things like that. But yeah, just a lot of stuff that is not common in big box stores, not common at necessarily nurseries, but this local plant shop is just like amazing. vanilla bean plant. I want another one of these. I had one of these years ago, left it in the Keys. But here's another silver stripe. Look at all the color in this one. $9. I'm so tempted. Another ficus, very nice. And here's one in the big box store. So can definitely beat the price here. And look at this gloriosum. Again, a plant that you don't see commonly in this area. $14. Excellent price. I love this place. I've never come away disappointed and with my hands empty. I always leave with plants. Oh my goodness. Just really, really nice, healthy looking plants. Look at this carry eye. I definitely kind of having some thoughts about taking this one home with me. But let's see. Can't find a price on it. It's washed out, but just a nice, healthy plant. And I really haven't seen one this big, and it's a plant you don't see very much. Now, I know these are popping up in the big box stores locally. Um, they're pretty readily available, but $18, comparable price, definitely. Look at them. Just all kinds of nice alocasias, nice, healthy looking alocasias. Nice looking calathea. And the ficus back there in the corner. And the calatheas are on sale for $15. More alocasia, $9. Yeah, in the big box store they're going for $20. Most of, yeah, about $20, between 15 and $20. Here is just a pan around. I'm panning around so that you can see what the plant shop looks like. It is outdoors and it's absolutely beautiful. They have some of everything, and like I said, they have indoor and outdoor plants, lots of hard to find things. So if you're ever in the Tampa area, you might want to swing by Bloom Garden and just check them out. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care, stay well, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.